Hey folks, I've set up my scheduling assistant, AI scheduling assistant on Cohesiv. So I can just go in here. I say a customer calls me up and wants a new job. It wants to know when it can be done. Most folks, if your typical 6 to 8 week lead times, some lots of variation from months to years in some cases, all the way down to days. So you can see that we've pre-configured this assistant to help me out add a new job. So I'm just going to say, go ahead, or I'll just talk to it because we can talk to these things now. Sales order number S1234. Customer's name is Big Oil Rig Inc. Order date was and is today. We promised them by September 28th, 2024. And the product is Big Drill, which is product one. All right, so we got that information. Now that I talk to it, I can check it over before I send it over. It's going to take all that information. And because we have a work back plan, we know how long it takes at each of our steps. I'm just going to confirm that all these details are correct. And then it's going to add it to the big schedule, but we'll just show today in this video how we're going to add new jobs to the system. In future sessions, I can show you how to create multiple sessions here while it's working. Because this one's been instructed, you can see it's bouncing up and down. It's working away. We can add multiple jobs at once. I can go new job again and run that in parallel. So if you get 3 or 4, 50 orders, 80 orders a day, depending on the type of manufacturer you are. But some manufacturers are doing 1 or 2 orders a week. Some are doing, tens a day. So you can see I go back to the first one. The job has been successfully created because I confirmed it all. And then it did a work back plan. It knew the dates I needed it by. We can take into account the existing schedule. It says no dependencies. Step 2 is dependent on step 1. So it knows all that. I say, yes, looks good. Proceed. So it's gone through my 6-step process here that has, again, been pre-configured in the AI assistant just by telling it and talking to it, like you saw earlier, how you talk to these AI assistants. And it's going to calculate when to start this. So it's going to do the math for you and then show you it in the timeline. The next step is to bring it in. So this is the plan versus the schedule. The plan is this is what our job's going to look like. Then we're going to bring it into the schedule and see what's realistic. So this is where buffer days come in. This is where we're looking at the schedule with the AI. It's very helpful. But again, this will take probably somewhere between 20 and 30 seconds. Here it is. So you can see all the steps here, when they're going to be starting, when they're going to be ending. Also, you can reschedule. And it's taking into account the holidays, the weekends, the shifts. This is all pre-calculated when it's thinking through this. So it's a huge help, huge big assistant. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can reach us at the information below, cohesivapp.com, or you can go to factorybucket.com. Happy to do a demo personalized to your process. Anyways, thanks for watching.